Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers in the world, especially my mom, who is a single mom, and to my wife.
Psalms 127 verse 3 says, "Children are a gift from the Lord. They are a reward from Him." Mom, your love reflects God's grace and kindness.
Mothers, thank you for all the love and dedication.
Dear Mom, I just want to thank you for all the patience, the kindness, the love that you have given me over the years. I want to thank you for all the hard days and the best days that you have given me as well.
I believe that all mothers are to be respected and you must give them the due honor that they deserve.
Happy Mother's Day to all moms in the world.
Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day!